Okay children, now let us see some miscellaneous problems on polynomial chapter. So first let us see here, check if 3x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial p of x, that is 9x cube minus 3x square plus 14x minus 14 by 3. So this is a given question. So here you observe carefully, p of x polynomial is given and the divisor is given, that is 3x minus 1. So it is asked whether g of x is a factor of p of x or not. So here once you need to recall the factor theorem children. What is factor theorem? If p of x is a polynomial, okay, when it is divided by x minus a, if p of a equals to 0, then x minus a is called factor of p of x. Okay, so here what is a here? A is the 0 of polynomial. X minus a equals to 0, if you take the next value you get a. So a is nothing but 0 of polynomial. That means p of x is a polynomial, that is dividend. It is divided by x minus a, that is g of x. So here first you need to find the 0 of polynomial, that is x minus a. So the same here let us apply. What is p of x is given here? The dividend, that is 9x cube minus 3x square plus 14x minus 14 by 3. Okay, whereas g of x, let us assume that divisor whatever it is given, that is g of x, that is 3x minus 1. So now we need to find the 0 of polynomial, that is 0 of 3x minus 1. So here in rough space you can find 0 of polynomial. So you take, assume 3x minus 1 equal to 0, the next value you get 1 by 3. So that 1 by 3 we need to substitute in the place of x. So here 1 by 3 is 0 of 3x minus 1. So this statement you can write to avoid the confusion. So now let us see p of 1 by 3. Wherever x is there, there we need to substitute 1 by 3. 9 multiplied by 1 by 3 whole cube minus 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 3 minus 14 by 3. After substituting in the place of x 1 by 3 we have got this. Now let us simplify this. 9 multiplied by 1 by 3 whole cube is 1 by 27 minus 3 into 1 by 3 whole square we get 1 by 9 plus 14 into 1 14 by 3 and minus 14 by 3. So here itself if you observe plus 14 by 3 minus 14 by 3 will get cancelled because sum of these two will get 0. Now let us check these. 9 ones are 9 threes are, we get 1 by 3 minus 3 ones are 3 threes are, again we get 1 by 3. However, it is 0, no need to take this. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 we get 0. That means p of 1 by 3 is 0. Okay, by factor theorem if p of a is 0, x minus a is a factor. So here p of 1 by 3 we have got 0. Since p of 1 by 3 equals to 0 is 0, we can say that 3x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, that is p of x. So it is asked to check if 3x minus 1 is a factor or not. Yes, we have got the value 0. Therefore 3x minus 1 is a factor, we can confirm this. But whereas second question, it is asked to show that already it is confirmed, but we need to show how it is a factor. 2x minus 3 is a factor of p of x given. So here also first we need to find the 0 of 2x minus 3. So let us start the solution here. The given polynomial p of x you write down, that is 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus 12. The divisor that let us assume as g of x, that is 2x minus 3. So in that space you can find the 0 of 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So x you will get 3 by 2. So here 0 of 2x minus 3 is 3 by 2. Now let us check whether P of 3 by 2 is 0 or not. So definitely we get 0 because it is already asked to show that. So now P of 3 by 2 equals to, wherever x is there you need to substitute 3 by 2. That is 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus 12. So let us simplify this. 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube gives us 27 by 8 minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square gives us 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. That implies, now children you observe here 2 and 8, they will get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, but whereas here they will not get cancelled. So we can write 27 by 4 minus 9 nines are 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 12. So now let us find the LCM of the denominator, that is 4, 4, 2 and 1. Since the 4 is the multiple of all those, we can say 4 is LCM. Now 4 ones are 4, 1 into 27, 27 minus 4 ones are 4, 1 into 81, 81 plus 2 twos are, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 fours are, 4 12s are 48. That implies we get, so first you add all the positives, 48 plus 27, 75 plus 6, 81. 81 minus 81 upon 4. However, it is 0, so ultimately we get 0. Since P of 3 by 2 is 0, we can say that 2x minus 3 is the factor of P of x. So that last statement you need to write. Since P of 3 by 2 is 0, 2x minus 3 is a factor of P of x. So in this way we can show, we can check whether the given divisor is a factor of P of x or not.